I chose this program because I would like to be an electrician in the future, and I wanted to get a head start on my education and my training.
The electrical systems course is a hands-on, career-based trade. This program is unique because it is not only physical, it is also mental.
I really enjoyed the labs we do, and we get to go in the classroom and learn in the classroom, and then we get to come in the workshop and get workshop hands-on experience. You get to make an outlet and plug it in and it works. You're like, whoa, I just did that.
The best part about this program is that everyone's at their own pace. I love having hands-on work and not just sitting in a classroom.
The success rate for students gaining employment in the electrical systems program is extremely high. We currently don't have enough people to fill available slots in our industry.
I would recommend this program because it's a great class, it's hands-on, and you learn a lot.
It's super fun and it teaches you a really important life skill.